69% of couples argue about the same exact thing every single week. For my parents, the thermostat, a war of degrees that lasted decades. For me and my partner, towels on the floor, every morning like clockwork. But here's what nobody tells you. It was never about temperature or cotton. It was about feeling unheard, unseen, like we were on opposite teams, over something as dumb as laundry. Healthy relationships aren't conflict-free. They're conflict-resilient. Cracks become canyons if you don't repair them. This guide is your emotional GPS. 1. The worst advice couples hear. 2. The daily habit that bonds. 3. The sunburns you didn't notice. So here's what works. You don't attack. You translate. Try. I feel overwhelmed when dishes pile up. Can we tag team dinner? Yeah, it feels awkward at first. So did walking upright. Step 2, the highlight reel. Happy couples don't avoid stress. They connect despite it. Each night, share one joy and one stress. That's it. No fixing, just listening. If they say, my stress is this conversation, maybe, bring snacks. Step 3, emotional sunscreen. Unspoken hurts don't vanish. They stack up like unread emails. If something still lingers after 5 seconds, say it. Gently, no blame, just truth. Like, I felt left out when you joked about my cooking. It's not drama, it's maintenance. Real love isn't about perfection. It's about reaching for each other, even when things get messy. Our thermostat war? We got a smart one. Compromise looks weird sometimes, but it works. Bonus tip, celebrate repairs. After every honest conversation, do something small. Tea, walk, hug, make safety feel normal. Conflict is not a sign of failure. It's proof you care enough to try. Revisit the cracks, even if they've healed. Check in, the same way you'd inspect a repaired bridge after a storm. Relationships grow in the pauses, in the space between the problems, where choice lives. Choose closeness. Choose grace. This isn't just a relationship video, it's a reminder. Repair is always possible, and that love is a skill. So yeah, try the highlight reel. Set a timer for 5 seconds and keep reaching, even if it's awkward. So there you have it. These 3 things will have an impact on your relationship. To a better, happy and healthy relationship. Thanks for being here. Share this with someone who needs it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.